Most guys grow up hearing that they're supposed to chase, impress, pursue, convince, and basically perform for a woman's attention. And because of that mindset, a lot of men end up overinvesting, overthinking, and overwhelming a woman before she's even had time to feel anything for them. Today, I want to flip that script, not by manipulating her, not by playing mind games, but by becoming the kind of man whose presence makes a woman lean in on her own. Use this for good. Don't try to control or deceive anyone. This is about leveling up you first, because when you do, everything about your relationships changes. Point 1. Shift the energy. Stop chasing, start choosing. The first step is simple but powerful. Stop acting like she's the prize. Start acting like you are also the prize. Most guys show too much interest too early. They respond instantly. They clear their schedules. They say yes to every plan. They text like they're on payroll. And without realizing it, they place her above themselves. But here's the truth. People value what feels scarce, not unreachable, just not constantly available. So instead of thinking, I hope she likes me, switch your mindset to, let's see if we connect. Let's see if she adds something positive to my life. That one mental adjustment alone changes the dynamic. Point 2. Slow down the availability. This part is critical. You're not disappearing, you're not ghosting, you're not acting cold, you're simply not always available. Being available every second signals one thing: you have nothing going on. Even if you really like her, even if you're excited, pace yourself. Answer at a normal rhythm. Don't drop your entire life when your phone buzzes. Don't be the person she can reach 24/7 just because she's bored. It's not disrespectful, it's balanced. A man with a life is attractive. Point 3. Build a life she actually wants to be part of. Let me be real. One reason women chase less today is because many guys don't have anything going on outside of her. You want her to pursue you? Become the kind of man who pursues his mission first. Prioritize the gym, prioritize your work, prioritize your purpose, prioritize your goals. Build yourself as a man, not to impress her, but because you have a future you're building. A woman is drawn to a man who is going somewhere because she can feel the momentum. Your direction creates attraction. Point 4. Communicate, but don't over-communicate. Let's clear something up. You should stay in communication. You shouldn't vanish for days. You should be consistent. But the key is this: consistency is not the same as constant access. Some women will say they want a guy who texts all day. Most don't actually want that. What they really want is a man who is attentive but not clingy interested, but not desperate available, but not idle. There's a big difference. Give her stability, but keep your independence. Point 5. Master emotional detachment, the healthy way. Detachment doesn't mean you don't care. It means your happiness isn't tied to her reactions. It means you're not shaken by her mood swings. You don't panic if she responds slowly. You don't fold just because she gets distant. You don't lose your cool over small issues. A calm man is a rare man, and a rare man is attractive. Women test men emotionally. Not to be toxic, but to see if you're grounded. If you stay centered, she naturally gravitates toward you. Point 6. Don't chase. When she pulls away. If she pulls back for a day or two, don't freak out. Don't send paragraphs. Don't ask, what's wrong? Don't interrogate her. Don't fall apart. Just let the space happen. Women usually pull away because they want to see, will he keep his frame? If you stay unfazed, she comes back stronger. If you panic, question her or cling harder. The attraction drops. Let her energy guide you. If she invests, you invest. If she withdraws, you relax and live your life. Point 7. Don't get emotionally possessive. A lot of guys ruin everything because they start acting jealous, insecure, controlling, paranoid, checking phones, stalking socials, arguing over who liked her pictures. All of that is a one-way ticket to losing her. Here's the truth. You can't stop a woman from doing something she wants to do. You can only inspire her not to want to. When she knows you trust yourself, not just her, but yourself, she respects you more. A man who isn't threatened by competition is a man who stands out. Point 8. Keep your priorities straight. She's important, but she's not your whole world. A woman doesn't want to be your entire purpose. She wants to join a man who already has purpose. The moment she becomes the center of your life, you lose yourself and she loses interest. Focus on building your body, your income, your mindset, your discipline, your social life, your skills. When she sees you leveling up, she naturally wants to be part of that journey. Point 9. Your attention should feel earned. This is not about treating her badly. This is not about acting too cool. This is not about disrespect. It's about value. When you're selective with your time, when your attention means something, when she feels like being with you is a privilege, she starts working to keep it. That's when she pursues you. Not because you forced her, but because the connection feels worth preserving. Point 10. Final truth. Detachment is your greatest power. Most men lose women because they're scared to lose them. But here's the paradox. The less afraid you are of losing her, the less likely you are to lose her. Because you stop acting out of fear and start acting out of confidence. When you're grounded, focused, and self-respecting, she sees it, she feels it, and she responds to it. You don't have to chase. You don't have to beg. You don't have to prove yourself. You simply have to be a man who values himself. And she will value you too. If you want a woman to pursue you, lead with purpose, not pressure. Lead with confidence, not neediness. Lead with direction, not desperation. Build a life that makes her excited to be part of it, and you'll never have to chase anyone again. If you found value in this, like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear it. We're growing, and we're only getting started. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.